I ride the Hummer, I ride the Chevy, get by the muscle, hop out the heli, breathe out the hustle, behind the celly, boy I tussle.
Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are in the garage and we're going to be cleaning the inside of my car. The leather is pretty bad. It has like some yellow things in it, but I'm going to be using the leather guys, chemical guys kit to be cleaning the inside of my car. I don't know what you use this for, but I was watching some videos about it because it's my first time. So yeah, let's get started. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. Look at that right there. Nice and mint. Haven't been used before. So I'm gonna have to clean the inside of the car outside in the hot, but it's cooled down a little bit, so it shouldn't be that bad. I could move my grandma's car, but I'm too lazy. Okay, the car is parked. I wish I could park in the shade, but I cannot. Everything's nice. Let me show you guys the weather. So right here is not that bad. But right here you can see the yellow stuff, I think. No, you can't really see it that well, but yeah, gonna clean the inside. The whole squad should pull up, and then we're gonna go get the car washed. Wait till 8 till Casey and Kenny get here, and head out. Take some pictures also of the cars. So yeah, let's get started. Before I do all of this first, I will do a cinematic of a before and after. Okay guys, I brought the car inside and took my shirt off because it's so damn hot. I was doing this out in the sun, standing in the street, so I brought it in here, and I didn't want my shirt to get too sweaty because I'm not going to be taking the shower after this because we have a car meet to go to in the car wash. That shine, baby. And compared to this, I mean, both of them are equally shiny, but yeah, it feels like, I don't even know how to explain it, but I dropped off here.
Yeah, I don't want my car anymore.
What? This is my man Landon. What's up, bro?
What's good, bro?
This is the new car, man. What you think?
Pretty good, bro. Pretty good, bro.
Feel me? Got that TSX, baby. Bro, you know you're about to be sweating, right?
Nah, I'm good.
You good? Okay. Alright guys, check out the wheels real quick. Look how dirty this is. Look, you see my finger? Oh, my hand's a little dirty. What's up, bro?
What you been doing?
Cleaning my car. What's up, Eric? Hey, this is my man Landon. Alright guys, as you can see, he's a little different looking because he's half white. I said it to you for 2000. It is. It still runs.
It's not worth
It has an RSX engine in it, bro.
It's not worth. Look at this.
Bro, you can fix this, man.
Bro, you didn't text me.
Hey, it's still drying, food. It's still drying, food.
What?
Man, this man gonna get my shit big sweaty right now.
Look at your shit.
No, it's cause I got the seat up. That's why it's like that.
Oh, then you drive like that.
Oh, right here?
Yeah,
I was like, nah. I was doing the street race, right? With Brian O'Connor. And I did the fattest pull, and it pulled all my leather. That's what happened. What's up, man? Introduce yourself.
Yo, it's your boy Christian, dog.
Hey, don't pop it, bro. I got a dead body back there. Oh, almost sprained my ankle. Hey, you see the sound system? Look underneath. Look underneath there. Got the BD player, bro.
You need to fix this.
Ooh, my man rocking the. Dang, Christian, dang, you got some small nipples, bro. Hold on. Man, changing the clock. I'm gonna get demonetized from that. What's up, Landon?
What?
Shit, my man Griffin's here. What's up, boy?
What's up?
How you doing, man? This is my man Landon over here.
Yeah.
Check out the car, bro. You see that nice leather in there? Damn, look at that, boy.
No cracks or nothing.
No cracks, bro. Bro, check that shit out. Ooh, premium sound system, baby.
Where? Where?
Psycho bitch with a tongue on scene. 500 less, I need to pay things. Click like fuck, nigga need to die now. Psycho so shoot quick right now. Hilly bad, head touchdown.
Shit, Griffin, give us a walkthrough of your car, bro.
walk through. There's nothing much.
Let's see what's under the hood, man. How much power are you packing? Intake right there. Coming soon to my car too. Oh, that in. Nice, bro.
Magnum flow exhaust. That.
Can we get a little rev? Sweet, man.
That's bad.
How many shows have you been to? Or meets?
A lot.
Your car get a lot of attention?
Not really.
That's tough.
Not really.
Let's see what they doing over here. Y'all gonna give me some coins?
Big bells.
Oh, you gonna wash your car? Oh, you gonna clean it?
Vacuum it.
Looks like you guys are running out of time. Hey, bro, let's trade wheels.
Huh?
Let's trade wheels, bro. Let's trade wheels. Dang, they got these boys working right here, boy. Hey, dude,
don't put that in the video,
TT
nigga.
challenge, bro.
Don't put that in the video, nigga.
This shit packed, fool.
I know.
Dang, that interior though. Oh, what the hell? I could have sworn you were rocking that manual, bro.
Are you riding?
Why you stop, bro? Come on, do it. And I need you. Damn, man, they lame. They lame, bro. Wanna record me?
Sad.
Here. You gotta get the free stuff free. Oh, let me do that.
There. Just that now.
Is that now?
Yeah. Hey, Don, let me try. Let me try.
Hey! Stop all that horsing around. Hey, you gotta get down from the middle, bro. See? Hey, don't do that, don't do that. Don't do that, boy. Make sure that when you brush and make it fast. Okay, go ahead then.
That's mine,
Dude, I
nigga.
have, bro, I have microfiber rags in my car. Oh, shit. Nice wipe down. We're gonna spray some of this on the microfiber and re-wipe it again so it's nice and shiny. Yeah, son, they out here doing their laundry. Why don't y'all do that at home? We got some wax on there. Look how clean this looks. What? What the fuck? It looks like when it first came out the dealer. Don't mind all of the swirl marks. This is my first time cleaning the car. Dang.
Stickers made. I'll come into town. We'll put them on.
Yeah, bro, that's a video right there. Just imagine art gods right there. In New Mexico now. Y'all race? Want to race? New Mexico, baby. All right, where we racing?
Y'all want to do 20 rolls?
What's
20
that?
rolls.
What's 20 rolls?
You hold your speed at 20,
Uh-huh.
and whenever the 3 horns, after the 3rd horn, you go.
What are we doing? Is that straightaway right here?
Well, we need one of those top detectors. Yeah. I mean,
We can go on the highway.
no, that causes too much obstruction.
You there?
Shit. Hey, let's do it on the street by your house.
All right.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hey, we're gonna race on the street near my house. Dude, you smoked the shit out of me, bro. Look at this man, his Honda. We got the whole gang out here, you feel me?
Some runs. I think I smoked the shit out you.
Oh God, bro.
He smoked you.
What's up, man? Let me hit you with this bone.
Hey, it was funny.
What's up, homie?
What's going on?
Oh shit. Haven't seen you last time since you were messed up at last New Year's. Dang.
We're going
Hey,
to some digs and stuff.
You want to install an Art Gods banner right now? Damn, that's fake. Hey, put the shirt on, bro. All right, boys, we are now heading to the meet with the squad. I cannot bring my car because my mom said no. What you think about that, bro?
On the E-way, doing like 110, 12, looking for the suspect, and I'm him. On the E-way, doing like 110, 12, looking for the suspect, then I'm him. On the E-way, doing like 110, 12, looking for the suspect, and I'm him. the E-way, doing like 110, 12, looking for the suspect. And I'm him. I ain't even tripping.
All right, boys, we arrived to the meet. Damn, this shit about dead. Where?
Right there.
Where?
Stoplight. Stoplight.
What was it? R34?
5.
Ah, they gotta go, bro. They better have a Liberty Walk kit on it. Meet was pretty dead. I chose a pretty shitty meet to go to, but this man Casey's gonna choose a better one. We're gonna head home and maybe get something to eat first. Think about that meet.
Black as fuck. Boring salad.
There you guys go. It was dead. I did give away free merch, but I forgot my business cards. So, oh well.
Sad boys.
Sad, bro. We're gonna go to Brahms now with the boys.
Fucking with it. You like that white stuff?
Hey, Peter thinks this
Need
is
that
like
white cream?
like the girl version of John.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thanks for paying me back.
Last year, we were just chilling at the food places, right? And a random dude was just staring there. I recorded it on Snapchat, and he was just staring at my phone.
Get that shit.
Art gods. That man not wearing his shirt I gave him. Art gods. Ooh. Fire. Friend, thanks for coming out, bro.
Now you wanna come with me, bitch? Fuck you. Fuck you. I don't wanna ride with you. Get out of here.
You got some beef going on?
Dog.
Yeah, I'll drive.
You drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. We split ways here. Part ways.
I'll see y'all 1v1, please.
1v1.
Take one sticker, please. One sticker.
UMG.
Take a damn sticker.
$10.
$10.
Yeah?
You don't got $10.
Support $40.
$40. You can't even count that high. There you go. Okay.
Safe.
Be safe.
Hey, tonight, pussy.
Tonight, pussy.
Hey, we playing some Fortnite tonight.
$50.
Catch you later, bro.
They get UMG challenge.
Yeah, you and
Man,
both
I didn't even get
25.
paid out for the last one I won.
We did. I don't know.
J-Mac said different.
J-Mac left, bro.
Peace,
J-Mac
bro.
left your ass. You can't tap your
Fuck it,
Yeah, bro, you
dude.
shouldn't drive to that, man.
Fuck it, dude.
Hey, don't let men drive, yeah?
Yeah, man. Hey, bro, kiss the subscribers.
Oh, no, I'm alright.
Hey, I'm gonna go take a pee-pee. Huh? Yeah, he riding. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. This was like my first car meet by myself with the boys, rolling deep. But next video should be me going to a car meet with my own car. So yeah, subscribe, like, do all that. Share the video. Peace.